Yeah guys, I've always been struggling with securing my camera, GoPro or smartphone in the car, and especially close to the headrest of my car to make videos about car accessories. I've done already about 20 videos and I've always had huge problems. Usually I've been using something like that with such a clamp, but it was impossible to secure it really tight. It always got loose and then I had to readjust. It was always a struggle. And finally I found the perfect solution. At least I think that this could be the perfect solution for me, but of course also for you and for other situations. And that's the K&F magic arm with super clamp. So let's see what we got here and how we can use it to get these two parts. Comes also with a quick instructions manual, but I mean its camera mount shouldn't be too difficult. If you can't use it without instructions manual, that wouldn't be good, but I'm going to let you know. And so everything makes a really good impression, solid, beautiful aluminum alloy, exactly how it should be. And we can see already the huge difference here. These pads are totally flat. And so if you want to mount something on a thin pole or so, it lasts maybe for a couple of seconds and then it will slip away. That's not happening here because we have this shape here. I hope you can see that. So if you have something here in between, it can't slip away, and we have these non-slip pads here as well. Really nice screw, and especially this part here is absolutely awesome. I don't know if you can hear that. So it's not just totally loose. I mean, it's loose, we can adjust it, but it has some small teeth here, and when we adjust it in an angle, it's completely impossible that it will move. And so we have standard 1/4" tripod mount here and here. By the way, what's interesting here, this screw is also securing these joints here. I mean, they are total flexible. I hope you can see that. We can turn it into virtually any direction. And when we secure the whole thing with this center screw here, also this and this is totally secured. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Don't ask me how they have been able to do that, but that's exactly what we want. And then here we have this also standard 1/4" tripod mount, and on top of that we have a 3/8" mount. But of course for this one here we are using the 1/4" tripod mount. Can nicely secure it here. And so on the other side you can use our standard equipment. For example, this Ulanzi GoPro mount with the DJI magnetic holder. And so we have an absolutely solid connection. Works even for cameras up to 2 kilograms. That's definitely a lot. And so I've been outside already shooting my first video with exactly this magic arm clamp kit here, and it has been working absolutely perfect. Exactly how I've been expecting it. So it looks like this is exactly what I needed, and I'm pretty sure this could be also a perfect solution for a lot of situations for others. So definitely worth to look into that. I'm super happy that I've finally found this solution. And so I can fully recommend it, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.